Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Maven tutorial for beginners. In the last video we have seen some commands to build our Maven project and create a jar file. Now in this video we will see how Maven build lifecycle works. Now Maven is based around the central concept of a build lifecycle. And what this means is that the process of building and distributing a particular project is clearly defined. Now, for a developer who is developing this project, this means that he is only required to learn a small set of command to build his Maven project, and the POM or project object model will ensure that they get the desired result. Okay. Now these are the list of commands which a developer essentially needs to learn, and these commands are validate, compile, test, package, integration test, verify, install, and deploy. Now some of the command we have already seen in the last video. We have seen compile command, test command, and install command from this list, right? So in order to validate your project whether everything is correct in your project or not, or any information or necessary information is available in your project or not, you use this validate command. Now these commands follow some hierarchy. So for example, whenever you give the compile command, which is used to compile your source code, it's also going to validate first and then compile your code. And for example, you run this test command, then it's going to validate, compile, and then run this test. So it's going to follow some hierarchy. So we have run the install command last time. So what Maven has done for us is it has done validation for us and compilation for us, test, packaging, and if we have integration test, it's going to do the integration test and then verify and then run the install command. So all the above commands before the command are executed in order to run install, and if you do the deploy, then all the above command will be executed. Now we have seen validate, compile is to compile a source, test is to compile your test, package is used to package your code which you have compiled in a distributable format such as jar. Okay. The integration test, we haven't got any integration test, but if you have integration test, then this command will compile and deploy your integration tests. The verify command run any checks to verify the package is valid and meets the quality criteria. Okay. The install command we have already run last time. The install command will install the package into a local repository for use as a dependency in other project locally. And the deploy command is done in an integration or release environment, and it copies the final package to the remote repository for sharing with other developers and projects. So these are some of the important phases of your Maven builds lifecycle, and these are the command you need to learn in order to compile your project and package your project and build your project, right? There are some other command which we have seen in the last video. For example, clean, and this is not the part of this build lifecycle, but it's the command clean handles the project cleaning, right? But this is not the part of this build lifecycle. And some of the command like default and site, which we will see in the later videos, are also not the part of this build lifecycle, but they are also used with Maven. So this is how Maven build lifecycle works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.